Today, we talk about a topic that is crucial for your iPhone's battery life and eye comfort: how to change screen timeout on iPhone. Whether you want to keep your screen on longer for immersive experiences or shorten it to conserve battery, we've got you covered. What is screen timeout? Screen timeout, also known as auto lock, refers to the time your iPhone's screen remains on before it automatically turns off to conserve battery. By default, iPhones have a screen timeout of 1 minute, but you can customize this setting to suit your preferences. Benefits of changing screen timeout: improved battery life. A longer screen timeout means your screen stays on for a longer period, which can drain your battery faster. Conversely, a shorter screen timeout ensures your screen turns off sooner, reducing battery consumption. Enhanced eye comfort. Staring at a bright screen for extended periods can strain your eyes. A shorter screen timeout can help reduce eye fatigue by forcing you to take breaks and look away from the screen more frequently. How to change screen timeout on iPhone. Now, let's get into the steps on how to change screen timeout on your iPhone. It's a simple process that takes just a few taps. Begin by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Display and Brightness. Under the Auto Lock section, you'll see various time options ranging from 30 seconds to 5 minutes. Choose the screen timeout duration that best suits your needs. For optimal battery life, consider shorter timeouts, 30 seconds or 1 minute. For immersive experiences, you can opt for longer timeouts, 5 minutes. Tips for optimizing screen timeout. Use automatic brightness. Enabling automatic brightness allows your iPhone to adjust the screen brightness based on the ambient light. This helps reduce eye strain and further conserves battery. Enable dark mode. iPhones with OLED displays benefit from dark mode, which reduces the amount of blue light emitted from the screen. This can improve eye comfort and extend battery life. Set low power mode. When your iPhone's battery is running low, enabling low power mode reduces background activity and screen brightness, effectively extending the battery life. That's it! You've successfully changed the screen timeout on your iPhone. Remember, the optimal screen timeout depends on your individual usage patterns and preferences. Experiment with different timeouts to find the perfect balance between battery life, eye comfort, and user experience. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tricks. As always, if you have any questions or requests for future videos, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.